Hello everyone. I'm Malika, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever met someone who doesn't use difficult English, yet everyone listens to them with respect? A few years ago, I had a friend named Sarah. Whenever she spoke English, everyone admired her. I thought she knew thousands of advanced words. One day, I asked her, "Sarah, how do you speak such elegant English?" She smiled and said, "Malika, elegant English isn't about using big words. It's about choosing the right words." That sentence changed the way I spoke forever. For example, instead of saying, "What?" she would politely say, "Could you please repeat that?" Instead of saying, "I want a coffee," she would say, "I'd like a coffee, please." Instead of saying, "I don't know," she would say, "I'm not entirely sure, but I'll find out." Notice the difference. The meaning is the same, but the second sentence sounds more confident, professional, and respectful. From that day, I made one small promise to myself. Every day, I replaced one ordinary sentence with a more elegant one. After a few months, something amazing happened. People started listening more carefully when I spoke. They treated me with more respect. And most importantly, I felt more confident. So remember, elegant English isn't about impressing people. It's about expressing yourself with confidence, clarity, and kindness. In today's video, I'm going to share 20 elegant English phrases that will instantly improve the way you speak. Let's get started. 20 elegant English sentences. 1. Instead of, "I don't know," say, "I'm not entirely sure, but I'll find out." 2. Instead of, "What?" say, "Could you please repeat that?" 3. Instead of, "No problem," say, "My pleasure." 4. Instead of, "I think," say, "In my opinion." 5. Instead of, "You're right," say, "I completely agree." 6. Instead of, "Thanks," say, "I truly appreciate it." 7. Instead of, "I don't understand," say, "Could you clarify that, please?" 8. Instead of, "Can you help me?" say, "Would you mind helping me?" 9. Instead of, "I want," say, "I'd like." 10. Instead of, "Sorry," say, "I sincerely apologize." 11. Instead of, "Wait," say, "Just a moment, please." 12. Instead of, "It's okay," say, "That's perfectly fine." 13. Instead of, "Maybe," say, "It's certainly possible." 14. Instead of, "Good job," say, "You did an excellent job." 15. Instead of, "Tell me," say, "Would you please explain?" 16. Instead of, "I'm busy," say, "I'm occupied at the moment." 17. Instead of, "I agree," say, "I couldn't agree more." 18. Instead of, "I will do it," say, "I'll take care of it." 19. Instead of, "See you," say, "I look forward to seeing you." 20. Instead of, "Bye," say, "Have a wonderful day."